Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Henry, aka Big H Transportation. Just left the 90. On my way to the truck stop. I'm going 90 east. And I think it's 48 if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, I got it on GPS. Yeah, I left Hazleton, Pennsylvania, the 01, about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Made it up to Buffalo at 4 a.m. Hung out at they got pretty nice rest areas up here on 90. Hung out at a rest stop for about 2 hours. And continue on my way to my 90, which is right off of 290. Very easy ride, smooth pickup and smooth delivery. It's absolutely a beautiful day up here. Absolutely beautiful. Really realized tomorrow they're gonna get 6 inches of snow. So I just actually got a load just came over the Qualcomm, but I ain't gonna look at it until I stop. I love my job. I love my job, man. This is just amazing. No one bothers you. You pick up, you drop off. It's that simple. Pick up, drop off. And as long as you build a reputation that you are on time, no one bothers you. It's a far cry from what I was doing 2 years ago. Never in my wildest dreams I ever think that I would become a truck driver. Never in my wildest dreams. But today I am. And today I'm happy. I wake up in a different state almost every day. For me, out west is the most beautiful. I really love out west. I'm gonna get rid of this guy. He's a little bit too slow, but you know what? I'm maxed out. I'm at 65, and he's right at that sweet spot where I can't go around him. I'm sure you prime drivers know that, right? Hate when a truck drives about 64, 65. But yeah, I mean, I actually love my job. For me, Prime is a great fit. You know, for all you people who are going to watch this video down the road in the future, hopefully I'll have more than 8 subscribers, LOL. You know, you've got to find a company that's a fit for you. And one of the attractions for me was the training program. 50,000 miles is not a lot of miles. I mean, it was weeks we did well over 5,000 miles. I actually did 95,000 miles. 2 factors. One, I wanted to be sure that when I got in this truck, I was 1,000% comfortable in not only driving straight, because anybody could do that, but going down 6% grades, snow, learning how to read the road, whether there's spray coming up off the tires in the wintertime, letting you know that there may be some black ice. There's a lot of finer points that I wanted to make sure I had under control. And the most important thing that we all take for granted, driving a four-wheeler, is reading signs. You got to learn to read signs, mile markers. Because if you ever break down, road assistant's going to say, where are you? And you say, whatever, I'm on I-80. You're going to be like, yeah, well, I-80 is 3,000 miles long. Where are you? What mile marker? So that makes you pay attention and stay focused. I had a very good trainer. We butt heads at time to time, but you know, it's gonna happen. We're in a small, confined area. You know, this truck's not very big. But you know what? He had 16 years of driving experience. I got lucky. I really got lucky with him. He made me what I am today, and that's a great, confident driver. You know, I've been at Prime for a year. I've been a lease operator since Labor Day weekend. By no stretch of the imagination am I trying to be braggadocious, because I'm not. I just know that I pretty much, like this morning was a really tight back. I got it in there. It took me a couple of tries, but not once did I lose my cool. Everything was under control. It was very dark, no light, no lighting whatsoever. But you know what? I took my time. I got out of the truck several times to make sure that both of my sides I was clearing. And it's okay. You can do that. This guy in front of me is absolutely just killing me. But it's all good. I'm not sitting in an office surrounded by miserable people who hate their job. But the long and short of it is, you got to find a company that's a great fit for you. That's a really good fit for you. And there's a lot of companies out there. And if you feel that you can drive a 70-foot truck in 2 weeks, go for it. I couldn't. I have to be honest with myself. I'm a mature guy. I'm 55 years old. I've driven race cars. I've driven all kinds of vehicles. Never a Mack truck. It's a total different animal. Total different animal. So, but trucking is the way to go. Trucking is absolutely the freedom. The money is very good. You just got to find what works for you. Do a little downshifting here. .48A is the landmark. I'm gonna get off and go hang out at the truck stop. All right, guys, please like and subscribe, or subscribe and like, however the terminology goes. I appreciate it. Another request I have is I've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm clueless about editing. I also have a drone. I'd like to merge those two together. So if anybody has any insight in how to process both entities, this way I can put out some really good quality filmings, I really would appreciate that. All right. Have a great day. Stay safe. Enjoy.